Hey everybody, it's Michelle from the Stamp Doctor. How are you today? I just wanted to show you what you would be getting in the A2 card kit for the One Sheet Wonder kits. Here's my information: Facebook, YouTube, phone number. You can text that number as well, and the website. Alright, so these are the style of cards that you'll be able to make with this One Sheet Wonder A2 card kit. Now, you're going to be able to choose a different theme for your cards. So this is the Valentine's pink theme with the buffalo plaid. Okay. So there are 9 different sketches or card layouts that you'll be making, and they'll be in whatever theme you choose. So what that means is you're going to get a kit, and this is what's going to be in your A2 card kit. All right, you are going to have all of these pieces. All right, this is the A2 cards. You're going to go ahead and fold them, and these are the envelopes. So I'll set that aside. And then you're going to get all of these pieces. Okay, so to start with, I'm going to pull out the backer pieces. These will be in separate bags to make it easier for you. I just stuck them in one bag. All right, so this one, for instance, is the funky flowers, okay? And you have printed layers and solid layers. And each of these is going to be numbered, okay? In both the printed and the solid. Looks like we have some solid snuck over there. So for instance, to assemble your kit, what you're going to do is you're going to find piece number 3 in your solid and piece number 3 in your print. And what I like to do is I like to take each of these and lay them in a stack. So then I would find piece number 6, piece number 6, and I'm going to stick them. So I'm going to go through each one of these, and I'm going to match them up, and then I'm going to stack them. Then what I would do, once these are all sorted, is you're going to tape them together. So you're going to need some sort of tape runner or whatever your favorite adhesive is, and you're going to just apply them together, so that when you're done, you'll have all 14 of your pieces all attached together. Okay, then what you would do, I'm probably going to drop these on the floor if I wrangle with them too much here. You're going to have sentiments, and there are 20 different sentiments in your pack along with the backer pieces. So what you would do, these don't have numbers, they're just shapes. So you would just match up all the ovals on the oval layers, all the tiny ovals on the tiny oval layer. We have rectangles, we have skinny rectangles, and then we have the large rectangle. So you would just go through and mount each one of these pieces together as well. So then you're going to have all of these pieces all stuck together, okay? And in your set, you're also going to have an instruction sheet and a set of what we call sketches, okay? So these are the 5 tall cards. Now granted, these are only a guideline. You're going to get enough pieces, parts, to make these 9 different cards. So there are 4 horizontal and 5 vertical. That would make 9, not 8. And so these are just a guideline. These would show you that on one card you would locate, now these would be stuck together, and you would locate 12, and pretending this has got the pattern on it. And so 12 would go here, and then a rectangle sentiment. So all your sentiments are the gray, and so 1 sentiment. Now there are 4 ovals, 4 rectangles, 4 skinny rectangles, 4 larger rectangles, 4 large ovals. And so you're going to be able to pick and choose which sentiment you want where. And again, these are only guidelines, okay? You might want to take these cards and you might want to turn them. And you might want to change, because each sentiment set is going to be a little bit different. There isn't a specific, like every sentiment sheet. Let me grab a sentiment sheet. I should have pulled one out earlier. Every time I think I'm prepared, I think of something else during the actual video. So this is a sentiment sheet that we're pre-cutting to send to you for a kit. And so you can see that this one has 3 tall, larger rectangles when this is cut, and then this is where the oval is. So this is a horizontal oval, but this is a vertical oval. This is a vertical oval. This is a horizontal. So depending on the layouts, each different set that you do, you might choose to use a different sentiment on your card. So sketches are simply a starting point, a jumping off point, so that you know what to do with these pieces. So I will link below if you're interested in the die system. This is the One Sheet Wonder full die system. And I'll link below to that if you're interested in purchasing this so that you can make your own kits. It does require a large format die cut machine, which I do sell the Go Power. We also have it in a 6x6. It makes a little bit different set of cards because they're different pieces. You can also use them together. So this would be for the A2 card kit, and what you would do is just go online and you just choose your theme. So you might choose birthday, you might choose buffalo plaid Valentine in pink or in red, and each kit is going to come with those patterns and those solids, and then it's going to have the card bases and the envelopes and the instructions and the sketches, and then you will be able to create 9 cards for all of that. You will have some extra leftovers, so if you wanted to, you can purchase just sheets of paper separately, and you may want to have extra coordinating pieces to go along with your kit so that you could, you know, cut out regular cards and layer different things together to utilize the rest of your sentiments or to make tags. So thank you so much for joining me, and I hope you enjoy putting together your One Sheet Wonder A2 card kit in whatever style or theme you choose. Again, this is my information. I am Michelle, the Stamp Doctor. Thank you for joining me. Have a wonderful day.